nicely decorated transcendental form, Radharani smiles. Oh, no wonder, because I'm thinking so close. Radharani smiles. Okay. Radharani smiles, constantly thinking of how very soon she's going to meet Krishna, is increasing her fortune at every moment. Radharani's mind takes great delight in the intoxication of love. Radha Marana Mada Madhyan Matira Brut. I'd be curious how this other book translates this verse. The Vasa Saja. This is a gopi who decorates her body and her home, or the kunja, kunja, to attract her lover. Home is the mother-in-law. To attract her lover. The Vasa Saja yearns to enjoy amorous pastimes with Krishna. She gazes down the path waiting for Krishna to come, and she enjoys telling her friends about her pastimes with Krishna. And this gopi, like Radharani, constantly looks for the arrival of a messenger from Krishna, telling his whereabouts and when he's about to come. So Rupa Manjari is speaking to a friend. She says, when Radharani sees the amorous pastime grove, kusam shaina ujjvala ruchim, what a way to describe a bed. We say, oh, a flower bed. You know, we don't have a bed with sheets and blankets. Okay, bed, we sleep. But when we describe in this is a forest, and there's not a bunch of mattresses. If you ever run into a forest, if you've ever been in a forest with your girlfriend, you're not going to find too many mattresses there unless you put one on your backpack. Put one on your backpack and bring it on in. When you go to the forest and you have Mother Earth, you have the earth, and you gather some leaves. There's a bunch of leaves to get there, and there's a bunch of flowers. Just imagine if you ran into a forest that's really tropical and full of flowers, and you just go and you and your beloved, it's fun, you know. Say, oh, let's go get a lot of leaves together, because leaves are below the trees. So you gather all the leaves, and you just, oh, it's too thin. We need more. Okay, a whole bunch of leaves to make a good, bottom leaves. Then look at all these flowers. There's thousands of roses are blooming. Let's pick them. Pick them, and then you throw the roses on top of the leaves. That's what's called a flower bed.